grab honey. Are you gonna record? Are you gonna record?
You always
Or are you recording?
record sideways.
Well, then you have to make sure honey doesn't go over there when.
Jackson, look. Hey.
Jackson, when Jackson swings.
Hurry,
Jackson,
go.
look.
Go. Go.
Jackson, look.
Go. Go hit the birdie.
Jackson.
Go hit the
Honey,
birdie.
Hit the birdie.
Go.
Here. Grab it, honey.
Move,
Grab
honey. Move, honey. Move, honey.
Hit it. Hit it.
Harder.
Hit it.
Hit it.
Hit it.
Hit the birdie. Hit the
Grab
birdie.
her, Malo.
Hit
This
it.
is all missing.
Harder.
Harder. Hit it.
Here, hold this one.
Hit it.
Come on. Let's hit the birdie. Ready? Go.
Harder. Yay.
Okay,
Okay.
Hey.
Your turn.
No.
Honey, here.
Honey's turn.
Your turn.
Yay. Honey's
Go hit it.
turn.
Honey, turn, Jackson. Go, honey. Your turn. Hey. Oh my gosh. You got monkey. That was good for him. Okay, honey, turn.
Hit the birdie.
Go, honey, go.
Hit it, honey. Harder. Harder.
Come on, honey.
Hit it.
Mama.
She's trying.
Mama, can you help her?
Hit it.
Stupid. Follow.
Here, babe.
Swing. Like this. Go.
Harder. Malo, give him one. But take him over there somewhere so he doesn't hit honey.
Mama, bring your basket. Okay, Mama's turn.
These two are just like tapping it.
Mama's turn.
Okay, Mama's turn. Here.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
Mama. Stop recording. Oh my gosh. Stop recording.
Okay, go.
Okay, hurry. Give me that stick. Grab it from honey.
Hurry.
Bring it. Honey. Mama's turn. No, hurry.
Go, Mama, hit it.
Grab her away.
Harder.
Wait, Jackson. Mama's turn.
Harder.
Jackson.
Hit it hard, Mama.
Harder.
Come on, Mama.
Move, Drina. Move your head.
Harder. Go, Mama. Harder, Mama. Hit it.
Hit it like you're mad.
Come on.
Break it. Break it.
Hit his face. Hurry. Go,
Okay,
Mama. It's your turn.
Okay.
Grab
Trina's
the other stick
turn.
over there.
Grab the other stick over there.
What's wrong?
Show us how to throw a baseball, please.
Okay,
Watch
wait,
out,
watch out, watch out.
Trina,
Watch out,
Trina,
Mama.
wait. Mama. Okay,
Okay, go, Trina. Hit it hard.
make sure you break it. Break it.
Harder.
Break
Harder. Harder. Harder.
Swing.
Harder. Almost. Oh, do it again.
The zombie,
Harder, Trina.
Hit the head.
Harder.
Come
Break
You
it.
can hit it harder. I saw you hit Jackson harder.
Harder. Harder.
Yay.
Go get it. Go get some candy. Get some candy.
Get the candy.
Grab it.
Oh.
Here.
Jackson's like, but it's still alive.
Put it inside your basket.
Jackson's like, is the birdie gonna eat me?
Look, he was trying to avoid it.
Go, run. Go to your birdie. You can come get some.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, that doesn't work.
Look, he eats it with the rest. Jackson eats that. Put it in your bucket. Put it in your basket. Birdie.
Look at Mama.
Hurry,
She
Grandma.
already
Taking
knows.
it off.
He's giving
He
that
was
one's not
sad.
yours. This
Hurry,
one's
come
yours.
get some more.
Give it to Mama so she can put it in.
Mama.
Hurry, put the candy in Honey's. Mama? Okay, put it inside.
Honey just
Put
wants
the
to
candy
hit
in
the
there.
bird.
Yeah.
Good job.
Poor birdie.
Hey, Trina, put it in here.
Poor little birdie.
Put the candy inside.
Oh, real.
Real. Poor little
Put it in.
birdie.
Look at Jackson.
Bring your thing, Jackson. Bring it.
Oh my gosh, honey.
Bring it.
I'm wondering where the other half is. It's like in his mouth.
I know. He's already eating it.
Honey.
Gina. Gina's like, oh man, yes.
She's putting it in there.
Put the candy. Just put it like this.
Look at Jackson over there eating it with the wrapper.
Put it.
Jackson, you fat boy.
Ooh, hot mama. Good job. Bring it over here.
Only if garbage was like candy, man. Gina would clean the house so fast.
Mama, here. Here, honey.
It's so funny. 'Cause it's true.
Here, Jackson. Come get some.
Oh, that's hella clear,
Some
dude.
inside
I
your
know.
That's like crystal clear. What the frick?
I know.
Put it inside your basket.
Even with it being dark outside.
I know.
You're okay.
Jeez,
Put it
look at
inside your basket. Oh, you have a light.
Lowe's and Lowe's because hers is 720.
You there?
You should tag it to me.
Don't fall, Jackson.
Video?
Jackson,
Yeah.
candy's over there, bro.
Why?
Over there. Right here. There you go.
The bottom back there, and you can use it again. Look, they're like perfectly broken now.
Wow. All you guys could, yeah, that's all you guys got to do. Just glue that in, and you're good.
We're gonna barbecue tomorrow.
Have another, have another one. This is the victim of tonight's murder,
Wait, here, put some in
And
your
that is how
Mr.
children start becoming bullies.
Mr. Quack over here got annihilated. Thanks to Drina, the pro baseball player. Good home run, Drina. Good home run.
Years of beating Jackson.
All those years of hitting Jackson with the stick while no one was looking. So here's the case. Next, hold it, bro. Me. As you can see, there's some tunes going on. I just wanted to record this just in case me and Mecca have a flowing session. Just gonna put you right on top of the case. What's the song about? Wow, messed up on the lyrics.